Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to be making this hitch peg over here. It's pretty straightforward. We just need to create this cross section and then we will revolve it. One number you might be unfamiliar with is this spherical radius here at 0.208. We're actually going to make it 0.200 though, because a spherical radius just means that anywhere in the center of a sphere is 0.208, but that's actually impossible if the radius is 0.4 or the diameter is 0.4, okay? Because 0.208, if I multiply that by 2, is 0.416 for the diameter. But this here has a maximum diameter of 0.4. So 0.416 can't go into 0.4. So this number is actually incorrect, and we just need to adjust it to be 0.200. Okay, let's go ahead and make that. I'm going to start a 2D sketch on one of these planes. And I'm just going to start by drawing out the profile. So it's going to be like a straight line, a straight line, a straight line, a line like that. And then lastly, I'm going to connect that point to that point. So that's really what our profile looks like, this cross section here. Then I'm going to throw on the dimensions. So the bottom dimension is 0.125. Then the height from here to here is 0.5. Okay, and it might turn out a little weird, but just keep going with it. The height from this corner point here to the very top is 0.65. And then the diameter from this line to this line is 0.4, so we're going to make this 0.2. And then make sure that this here is also, let's move out there for a second. Let's type 0.2 and see what happens. Yep, perfect, 0.2, okay? So that looks good. I'm going to finish the sketch, use the revolve tool, and then for my axis, I'll click on that, and then press OK. And there you go. That's the hitch magnet.